CULTEX Laboratories would like to present its new CULTEX Radial flow system, the CULTEX RFS. A compact and versatile system for the direct exposure of cells to airborne substances.
The CULTEX RFS distinguishes itself by its versatility for many different experimental requirements. Perform in-vitro toxicology analysis on cells from the respiratory tract, or even on bacteria, using a modified Ames test. For this, the CULTEX RFS features 3 sample positions for all current transwell inserts or Petri dishes in various sizes. You can examine monolayer cultures, tissue samples, and even 3-dimensional tissue constructs. Whether gases or volatile compounds, particles or realistic atmospheres, the precision of the module allows optimal direct exposure of the cells to the test material. Thus, consistent and realistic results are achieved in all tests. Draw on the experience and expertise of our team to plan and implement your in vitro research. Benefit from our knowledge regarding appropriate cultures and optimal culturing methods for cells and bacteria in preparation for exposure. Special test procedures ensure the relevant culture exposure. In this way, the ideal starting situation for the tests is guaranteed. We are always expanding the range of testable substances, as well as realizing the optimum experimental setups for different applications. You can benefit from it immediately.
Let's take a look at a couple of typical setups. Here, for example, we have a setup for the exposure to particle-containing atmospheres.
One challenge is to guarantee the homogeneous distribution and deposition of the test atmosphere, for example particles, on the cell cultures. Desired and representative results can only be achieved by direct particle-cell contact. The computer-operated generation of the test atmosphere provides a constant and controlled flow of particles. A necessary requirement for the CULTEX RFS to achieve optimum contact between the particle atmosphere and the cell cultures. The outcome is again reproducible results.
Gases and gas mixtures place special demands on the tests, also regarding safety matters, especially when dealing with explosive or carcinogenic gases.
With a self-contained system of gas supply, exposure, and subsequent decontamination of the test atmosphere, the entire process is possible under the highest safety conditions. Using the CULTEX RFS, direct contact between gas and cells is always achieved, even under such difficult demands.
The CULTEX RFS creates ideal conditions to study different realistic atmospheric situations, such as the effect of cigarette smoke or diesel exhaust fumes, for example.
By computer-controlled smoking of cigarettes according to industrial standards, the use of the CULTEX RFS guarantees reproducible and consistent results.
We can offer you individual solutions for your projects. The CULTEX RFS gives you a variety of possibilities to carry out in vitro studies in the field of inhalation toxicology. You obtain reproducible results in a convincing good quality. Come and talk to us!